Mastering the magic. Understanding spray dry shampoo. Hello and welcome to our fun learning space. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind a phrase that often pops up in conversations about hair care. Spray dry shampoo. Whether you're a language enthusiast or just looking to expand your vocabulary, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this aromatic journey together. Dry shampoo is a marvelous hair care product that helps reduce hair greasiness without the need for water. It's perfect for those days when you're in a hurry or when conserving water is a priority. The magic lies in its ability to absorb oil, leaving your hair feeling fresh and clean. Spray dry shampoo comes in a convenient aerosol can, making application a breeze. Using spray dry shampoo is as simple as it is effective. Here's how you can transform your hair in a few easy steps. 1. Shake the can. Ensure the ingredients are well mixed. 2. Spray in short bursts. Hold the can about 6 inches from your hair and spray onto your roots in short bursts. 3. Massage and style. Use your fingertips to massage the shampoo into your scalp, then style as desired. Remember, a little goes a long way. Incorporating spray dry shampoo into your routine comes with a bouquet of benefits. Saves time. Perfect for busy mornings or quick touch-ups. Volumizes hair. Adds volume and texture to your hair. Extends hairstyles. Keeps your hair looking fresh between washes. To make the most out of your spray dry shampoo, consider these tips. Avoid overuse. Using it too often can lead to residue buildup. Choose the right type for your hair color. Some dry shampoos are tinted to blend seamlessly with your hair color. Spray dry shampoo is not just a product. It's a game changer for those looking to keep their hair fresh and voluminous without the fuss. We hope this video helps you understand and make the most out of this fantastic product. Here's to fresh hair days ahead. Remember, the best style is your smile. Keep shining.